Today's topic is clearing out those toilet clogs. This is not a happy topic, but it's a necessary topic. You can get your plumber to come in and snake out a clog if you have one, which could cost you a lot of money, or you could try this simple, inexpensive device. I bought it at Lowe's for $10. It's a 3-foot auger for the toilet. It's simple to use and it does the job. It might not work on every single clog you have, but it's a good try to do it because it can save you money in the end. And that's what I'm looking for, is ways to save money. This device might not solve all your problems, but for a basic clog, when something happens in your toilet and you don't want to wait to get your toilet snaked by a professional, that could run you a lot of money. I've had it done a couple times, and it does cost a lot of money. This is a inexpensive device to try. You know, it might not always work for everything, but it should work on your basic clogs. It's what the plumbers have, but they just have a longer one that goes to even further. Okay, so here is the auger. You pull it out so only the plastic part is in there so you don't ruin your toilet. And you angle it in. And then, I did it before. There we go. And then you push this down. Push it down, or you also can do it clockwise. Okay, and then you can do it do it counterclockwise, and you can pull it out, and then you can angle it back out. Flush the toilet. It goes down. It was successful. So this little gadget was $10. Saves you lots of money from getting a plumber. There's more expensive ones too. But that is a basic way to unclog the toilet. Thank you. Now you've seen how easy it is to unclog a toilet with an auger. Next time you have a clog, you might be able to try it, save yourself some money, and get your clog undone all by yourself without having to call in a professional.